In this video, I will show you how to use the Microsoft To Do app. First of all, install the Microsoft To Do app and tap on its icon to open it. Once you are inside the app, you need to log in, or if you don't have an account, you need to create a Microsoft account as a new user. Once you are signed in, here is the homepage of the Microsoft To Do app, and you will find some options like My Day, Important, Planned, Assigned to Me, Flagged Email, and Tasks, etc. So we will explore all these sections one by one to see how they work. From the top right, if you tap on the profile icon, it will take you to a new page where you will see the settings, including account management and other settings that you can explore and make changes to if needed. Also, you can use the search bar to find anything if you need to. Next, the first section is My Day, where you can see the tasks or projects for the current date. Or if you want to add a new one, from the bottom, tap on Add a Task, and it will open on the screen where you need to enter the task name. Once you are done, from the top right, tap on the Done button. And there you go. You can see that the task has been created. Now let's go back, and in this way, you can explore the Important section. Here, you can also try starring an important task to see it here. So enter the task name according to your needs. Also, if you open the Planned section, you can plan something that you are willing to do this week, this month, or on a specific date. So you can add it to the My Day section by tapping on this icon. You can also set a reminder by selecting an option or pick a date from the calendar if needed. After that, from the top right, tap on Done to Save. And there you go. You can see that the trip has been planned on that specific date, but you can plan a meeting, a conference, a task, anything that you want. The next section is Assigned to Me, where you can see all the projects or tasks that are assigned to you. The next is Flagged Email, where you can see the messages you have flagged. These will show up as tasks here, indicating the urgency of the project to complete. After that, there is the last feature, which is Tasks. Here, you will see the current tasks that are active or in progress, and you can also see the completed tasks as well. After exploring all these features, let's go back. From the bottom left, if you tap on the plus icon next to New List, you can create a new list here. I'm using a demo name, but you can choose one accordingly. You can change the list color as well. Once the list is created, from the bottom, tap on Add a Task and give this task a new name according to your needs. And from the top right, tap on Done to Save. And there you go. You can see that the list has been successfully created and a task has also been added. From the bottom right, if you tap on this icon, it will allow you to create a group. So I will give the group a demo name and then tap on Create. After that, it will ask you to add this list to the group. So tap on the plus icon, and once it's checked, tap on the Add button from the top right. And there you go. You can see that the newly created list is now listed under Group 1. So in this way, you can organize your daily routine using the Microsoft To Do app. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.